Guys, welcome to the video. Today we'll be doing a user suggestion by Marco_WT. His channel will be in the description. We're making a change team GUI. First, that's not supposed to be there. Yep, first that's not supposed to be there. You want to make your GUI. Name it change team. And then put a scrolling frame in there. Put it to wherever you want. I just do this for now. And boom, boom, boom. Name it select. And you have actually, I'll keep the outline. You have a scrolling GUI with nothing in it right now. So you want to add a UI list layout. So you can now do this. So they stack on top of each other. There we go, there it goes. For all I know, it's going to do that again, but yeah, beautiful. Name this team 1. String value. Name this team name. And then put the team name, so citizen, inside of it. Inside of this, you want to also put a local script. No, you don't. That's a lie. I'm sorry. You actually want to put a button. I'm thinking ahead. You want to name it join. There can be anything in here, but the button has to be named join. Put it in wherever you want. There can be image label if you wanted to. I mean, it could be an image button for all I care. Doesn't matter what you put in the text. That's why we added this. I'm gonna turn on deck scaled. Go. Team 2. Team name. Raider. Join. Raider. Beautifuls. And then you want to go to teams. Add some teams. So citizen. Raider. Change the Raider color to almost, I don't know, red. That can stay. I don't know. I'll make it institutional white, very bright white. Okay, so I forgot. You want to. Oh my god, I hate my life. Okay, well that's. Okay, well I deleted the server script, so I'll have to rescript it, but whatever. Don't you love it when you do that? I mean, you've never done it. Probably, for all I know. If you want me to do a more advanced version of this, I will be happy to. So, make a local script, new main. I'll have to recode this too. Selector. Equals script up parent, wait for child. Selector in case this doesn't load in before the script loads. So it'll prevent errors. So, yeah, and then for IV in pairs, selector get children do. What this will do is it will loop through everything in here, so the list layout, in these 2 frames. So, first we need to check if V is a frame, and making sure it's not this, then the local team name is V find first child, the team name value that we put in there. If not team name, then horn no team name, and I'll concatenate it. v.name, return, and end. Local join equals v find first child join. If not join, then warn no join button and yeah, blah blah blah. Hope this works. There we go. And then didn't make the event yet. So I would put it in folders for this sake. I'm just gonna put it in that. So I'll just name it change team. Simple, relatively simple. So you also want to make a event. Okay, so wait for child change team. So that's the event. So what you want to do is event fire server, and then team name. No. Actually, you could actually cut that. I'm just gonna select it and Control exit. Okay. So join mouse button 1 click connects to a function. And that. And then you might think this won't work, and you are wrong. Because what this is doing is it loops through every single frame, and it sets a event for, say this is a hit. It'll send to the server script the team name that's in this value. Same with this one. But you may be like, this will stop the whole script. No, it doesn't. It just sets the event to run. After this, it'll loop back and continually do it until there's nothing else to loop through. Which is nice when you're trying to set things without having to hard code it. Hard coding is when you made variables for join button 1, join button 2, and then manually set them. Instead of doing this, which is faster if you just add more. So now to the server script. Script change team. I don't know. So local. I can't think of anything. So event. Server storage. Wait for child. Change team. Okay. So event on server event connect to a function. So the arguments will be player, team name. So local player team equals player dot team. Player color equals player team dot team color. What I'm gonna do is make a check if not player team, then return it. Making sure the player is in a team. Also gonna make Raider not auto-signable. Doesn't automatically assign that. So now you want to do local team name. No. Just selected team equals game get service teams find first child team name. If not, select a team, then return it. This probably means that there's an error finding the team in teams, which probably leads to an exploiter or a misname in here. The reason I'm doing this is so exploiter can't stop your server script or just break it entirely. So it's also best to make sure everything is not nil, because things do that a lot. So now you want to set it. So first I'm going to make a check if player team.name doesn't equal selected team.name, then So that means that they're on a different team, so you can't just click your own team and teleport back to spawn. It doesn't do much when there's no cooldown, but you can add your own cooldown. So what you want to do is you want to open the wiki for it. Yeah, it's very weird how they do it. But what you have to do, you have to change the player.team equals selected team. Player.team color equals selected team team color. And then if you want to respawn them, you can do player load character. And that's essentially it done. If you want to do some group stuff, I will also link the group functions wiki. So you can do like if player is in group or whatever the function is to make sure they are in a group or have a game pass. I mean, I'm not going to link that, but so they can join that group. So yeah, let's see if it works. With my luck, it won't, but you know. So I'm on Citizen, and I'm getting shot by my turret. And now I'm getting notifications. I'm glad I muted that. Okay, move over here so the turret doesn't shoot me. Of course. So I'm Citizen Raider. Nothing's happening. What is that? Oh, I know what that is. Why did it not work? I'm gonna try this. I wonder why that's not working. There it is. I am sending it. Yeah, team name. Did I misspell it? I think I just might have. Citizen. What? Team name. What? What? Find first child team name. You send the team name. Okay, let's do some debugging. See the team name. Don't you love scripting? Team name. Nice. I know what the problem is. The problem is got a team name, no value. Clap, clap, clap. Now it should work. Yep. Ding. This isn't a spawn point. Wherever I played here, I just kind of set that as a spawn point. Didn't know I did that. So now when I click Raider, it brings me to the Raider team and also spawns me. So this is a Raider spawn. I just get some spawns. I didn't do that. Nice. You do that really quick. And then doop doop. Okay. If I just say you're that, and then you're red. So team color that team color. I made it that. Yes. So now that should work. I don't really use spawn location, so I wouldn't know. But so I do Citizen. I'm already Citizen. It won't change me. Raider. Nope. Okay. Well, let me just do that. Not play here. Yeah, I don't know how spawn locations work. Wait, did I even... No, I did. Well, if someone could explain this to me, I would love that, but... neutral, maybe? Maybe even that? That's a question. I made a neutral team. That's not what I wanted. No neutral. I have no clue. Turn me to Raider. That's not even assignable. It's not spawning me at the spawn. I really don't know why. Oh, you'll figure it out, I guess. Well, there's your GUI. Oh, there he is. Nice. See if I click this and it won't respawn me. Well, there you go. There's your GUI. Have fun with it, I guess. I'm not going to link it in the description, so people have to learn something, because, you know. And I will, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.